P.121, continuation of decimals. Here I've given you a little bit of a chart, kind of another cheat sheet, so you can see exactly what I'm asking for. So 0.7 is 7/10. 0.19 is 19/100. 4.2 is 4 2/10, or reduce down, which your teachers always want you to do, by the way. 4 1/5. Even if they say don't bother, go ahead and bother because it's really good practice. 3.01 equals 3 1/100, right? So change the decimals into the fractions and make sure you simplify. Thank you. Page 122, and this is changing fractions into a decimal. One way to change fractions into decimals is by dividing the numerator by the denominator. And as you can see, the denominator is placed on the outside of the division sign, and the numerator is on the inside, or the dividend. So the names for these things is the denominator becomes the divisor, and the numerator becomes the dividend, and the outcome is called the quotient, right? Go ahead and set up these problems at the very bottom of the page and change the 1/4 into a decimal and the 2/5 and the 5/8. And we'll see you on page 123. That's great. This is a short one.